retail access to private markets. And what my friends and I always talk about is it seems to be a little bit of a money grab and a fees play. So I'm curious on your take.
You always have to look at the incentives. It strikes me as ironic timing that we have had outsized returns, say in private equity, 15 to 20% returns for, better part of 3 or 4 decades. And, ups and downs, but pretty good returns. The moment the Fed started increasing discount rates in 2022, and we have a liquidity problem where institutional investors who provide the vast majority of all private equity investments, there's plenty of money from the sovereign wealth funds coming in from the Middle East and other places to fund these things. But isn't it interesting that as we see this little bit of a pullback, now the big private equity firms are willing to share direct access to private equity with individual investors where that hasn't been the case? I would be very wary. And people need to understand the challenges. There's very limited information. Remember, these are blind pools, which means I'm putting my money into something for like 10 years. I have no idea what they're going to invest in. I'm just hoping. It's based on the reputation of the firm, their track record, the structure, like something in a big fund I may have a little more confidence in, but we don't know what it is. We don't get much reporting. You don't get much visibility in the company. They're very illiquid. I can't just go in and buy and sell these things. So you got to be very thoughtful